Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Chef Cressy and today I would like to show you how to make some popcorns. You know, it's best to eat natural popcorns. The one in the bags, they're full of chemical and you can do these ones at home. I like doing my own popcorns. If you notice, my bag is almost gone because I make these all the time and I thought I would share it with you guys today. So in my cup here, I have half a cup of kernels and I'll be adding it to this bowl. And I'll be adding half a teaspoon, just half teaspoon of oil to the kernel. And you want to mix this up, okay? You mix it up. And you want to add some salt. This is optional. If you're on a diet that you don't need salt, you don't have to add it. But I like the taste of salt on my popcorn, so I'll be adding salt to taste. And you want to mix that up so all of them is coated with the salt. So here's my paper bag. I'll be adding all this kernel to the paper bag and then we're going to microwave it. All the kernels is in this bag. You want to fold it over 2 times, okay? And then we're putting this in our microwave. Come, let me show you. Okay, so we put it in 2 minutes, and after the kernels stop popping, that's when you take it out. If it stops before the 2 minutes expire, then we take it out. Okay? Listen guys, so it starts popping right now, and we will remove it after it stops popping, okay? And please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. So I think it's about to stop popping right now because it's going very slow. So I'm going to stop the microwave. Okay guys, so I removed it from the microwave and you want to give it a little shake. And this is what it looks like, all done. See, your own homemade microwave popcorn. Okay, so at this point you can pour it out if you want, and you can add whatever you want to it. You can add popcorn cheese, whatever you want, you can add it to it. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. for more of these videos. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna have some popcorn. Bye. See you in the next video.